Mary, Michael Mary. Billie Jean. Christian Dior, Dior.
Hey, oh yeah. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pearly back with another banger for y'all. I just filmed a get ready with me. This look. Okay. I don't know why I'm so excited, but look at this baby hair, y'all. Look at this. Oof. Oh yeah. Forget to subscribe, please. And I'm your bestie. I'm not your bestie. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down what you want me to do for you. I will do it. I will do So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, get to the video. So starting with my hair, this hair I got from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. This is a 24-inch 13 by 6 lace frontal body wave. I'll be using my Got To Be spray and gel. I already went ahead and put some foundation on the lace. I already bleached the knot and plucked it. So after, I'm going to take my edge booster, put it all over my edges because I need all my hair back. So I took my ball cap and I used my Got To Be spray to lay the ball cap. Usually use the Ghost Bond glue, but today I'm going to be using the Got To Be gel. But I don't know what this plastic thing is called, but I'm going to call it a spatula today. Okay, I like my spatula. That I'm going to take a blow dryer and blow dry the glue. And I'm going to take some clips to clip my hair back so I can have more space to work with. Then place the funnel on the glue. After that, you take a scarf and you tie the front of your funnel, and then take a scissors and make 4 slits on the lace. I feel like this helps me cut a little bit easier. So after that, I'm gonna be taking some rubbing alcohol and clean the front of my funnel, and I'm gonna be cutting 3 sections for my baby hairs. Now this part I'm going to use the Got To Be gel to lay my baby hairs too, because I felt like we already put some on the front, so why not use it for the baby hairs. Y'all see how white that section is? I don't like that, but we're going to fix that up, okay? We're not going to walk around looking like that. I'm going to blow dry the edges a little bit, so because you know the gel is a little sticky. Okay, black and brown. You see the middle section? It's like I overplucked a little bit, so just a little trick. You just take a black and a brown and try to fill up the hole, and yeah. So then I'm going to take in my hot comb. I'm telling you guys need to get a hot comb. A hot comb is the best thing anybody ever invented, okay? I'm going to take some concealer. You know, we have to, this is a must. This is an important step. So I'm going to take a concealer and try to cover up the white spots. You see how that makes it look so nice? So then you're going to scarf it, and now let's get into the makeup. So eyebrows, your eyebrows have to be snatched. It has to be snatched. That's the point of makeup. You see how snatched them eyebrows are? You see that? I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill palette from the Morphe brush. I'm going to be using these 3 colors. I'm going to be cutting my crease with my Juvia's Place concealer. And I'm going to use the shimmer color and put it over my concealer. That's how I created that base. Then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and try to make it a little smoky. Then I'm taking my mascara and put on my lashes. Honey. And then I'm going to be taking my foundation in the shade Malawi. Conceal and contour, my sisters. We have to conceal, oh. We have to contour. Contouring my nose is my favorite part in doing makeup. Honestly, I take my time doing this part. I really do. I'm going to be taking my Kiss Professional setting powder and I'm going to set my concealer. So I'm going to show you a little trick to do your eyeliner. Take your little pinky finger and place it on the bottom of your lash line and then draw your eyeliner. A lot of people cry doing it. I'm going to line my lip, spray my setting spray, put some bomb highlighter on, lip gloss, and boom.
Billy Jean, Christian Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When he